Peanut butter, also known as a superfood, is not just great for your taste buds but also for your health. It's full of fibers and proteins. It also has a good amount of zinc, potassium and iron. But not just that. It's also great if you're looking forward to have a weight loss. Yes, you heard that right. Now, how can peanut butter really lead to weight loss or help in the weight loss process? And which peanut butter is the best if you're looking forward to have a weight loss? If all these questions are lingering on your head as well, then this video is for you. Peanut butter has multiple benefits, be it vitamin A that is good for your eyes or to prevent heart diseases and so much more. But most importantly, it is great to add to your diet if your goal is weight loss. Basically, peanut butter is quite heavy and will leave you filled up for a longer duration, which will eventually prevent you from overeating or eating unnecessarily. It is also full of fibers which aids the digestion process and makes it quicker, which in turn will help and improve your metabolism rate too. In a way, it will reduce your overall appetite, and not just that. Since it is sweet in nature, it will also help and suppress your blood sugar and work in symmetry with your weight loss goals. Now the question arises, which peanut butter is best for weight loss? With the plethora of options available in the market, you might be confused which one is the best. Well, you must always read the label before making your purchase. Look for the lowest amount of sodium and added sugar. Some peanut butter brands have tons of added sugar, salt and preservatives. So avoid those. Always go for natural and organic peanut butter to aid your weight loss process. Well, I hope this helps. That's all for now. Don't forget to share this information with your friends and family, and don't forget to stay healthy and stay fit.